5 of my biggest tips for achieving consistent pencil strokes with your colored pencils. Because ultimately, if you have harsh start and stop points within your layers of colored pencils, those will be extremely stubborn when you try to blend it out later, making loads more work for yourself. And as artists, we are always looking for the best and easiest way to get to the finished drawing. Hi guys, my name is Abigail and my channel is all about helping you improve your drawings and painting skills so that you can create artwork that you will enjoy in the fastest and easiest ways possible. To start, sharpen your pencils. One of the main things that can cause our layers of colored pencil to look inconsistent is when your pencil only leaves the pigment on the highest areas of the paper and leaves the deepest crevices without pigment. Your paper has sort of hills and crevices that make up the overall texture of the paper. When the pigment doesn't reach the crevices in the paper, your colored pencil layers look really blotchy because you can see all of the paper showing through the colored pencil in those areas of the paper that were missed. When you sharpen your pencil, the tip will be able to reach the deepest crevices of the paper, making it look so much smoother. Less is more. Try using less pressure when laying down your colored pencils. The pressure you put on your pencils not only causes them to break much more frequently, but it also makes it extremely difficult to control the pencil and how much pigment you lay down. Using less pressure will take you longer, but it will give you a much smoother layer of pigment and will help you control the values you lay down. Use circular motions. When you use lines, you end up with harsh start and stop points within your layers of colored pencil. By drawing in circles, you are able to fill in your paper in a consistent and fluent motion so that there's only one start and one stop point throughout the entire section that you are filling in, rather than multiple start and stop points. Rotate the pencil. As I mentioned earlier, you want to sharpen your pencil. But another thing you can do is to rotate your pencil. When you do this, you are able to keep that lead sharper for longer. This will feel a little bit uncomfortable at the start because you're not used to it. Just keep in mind to rotate your pencil just slightly every few seconds when you're drawing, and before you know it, it will become a habit. Hold the pencil further back. Earlier I had said to use less pressure with your colored pencils, but one thing that can make that very difficult to do is when you're holding your pencils really close to the tip of the pencil. By holding the pencil toward the end of the pencil, you're reducing the amount of pressure that is put on the tip of the pencil, making it so much easier to use lighter pencil strokes. I know this was a lot of information to process, and really when you're just getting started with colored pencil, you don't need to apply all of these right away. You can really take your time and pick one or two areas to focus on. Like I said, many times this will become habit, and before you know it, you won't even remember that you're thinking about it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and until next time, God bless.